Have you ever noticed something that no one really explains clearly to you? It's how your memory and your vision quietly begin to slow down after 60. I'm not talking about disease. I'm talking about things that feel very familiar. You pick up your phone and forget what you were about to do. You read a short paragraph, but have to go back and read it again. Normal light suddenly feels a little too bright, and by the end of the day, your eyes feel tired much faster. That's real, but it's not just aging. And it's not something you simply have to accept. There's a truth here that might surprise you. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found this. More than 9 out of 10 people over 65 are lacking key nutrients, the ones your brain needs and your eyes depend on. Not while you're awake, but while you're asleep, which means, night after night, your body doesn't have what it needs to restore memory and calm your visual system. But almost no one talks about this. If this is your first time here, I'm really glad you're watching. And I encourage you to subscribe if you want to keep a sharper mind, healthier eyes, and a stronger body after 60. Because today, we're going to talk about drinks. But not just any kind. These are 4 natural drinks that modern science shows can support your brain and your vision while you sleep. No medication, no supplements, just the most natural things. Used the right way, at the right time. It sounds simple, and honestly, it is. But the impact goes deeper than you think. I've met many people who started out forgetful, with blurry vision, and became more alert, able to see more clearly, and remember better, just from one small change in their daily routine. So, let's take a closer look inside your body and discover what these 4 drinks are really doing. Let's start with the first choice. It's probably the most familiar one, but it's also something many people over 60 end up overlooking. That is, carrot juice. And honestly, it's something you shouldn't ignore. Because carrots are one of the few foods that can directly nourish the retina of your eyes and the front part of your brain, the area responsible for memory and focus. The way it works is actually very simple. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene. Once inside your body, beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A, and vitamin A is essential for the light-sensing cells in your eyes. When you don't get enough, those cells begin to weaken. You may start to notice blurrier vision, dry eyes, more difficulty seeing in low light. These are very common changes as people get older, but that's only part of the story. Carrots also contain lutein and zeaxanthin. These 2 nutrients help protect the macula, the part of your eye that lets you see fine details clearly. They don't just help prevent damage, they also support your eyes as they recover after years of wear and tear, from sunlight, from screens, and from time itself. And what about the brain? Carrots contain a natural compound called falcarinol. It helps protect nerve cells, reduce inflammation, and keep your brain functioning more smoothly. A study in 2021 found that people over 65 who drank beta-carotene-rich juice daily showed clear improvement in short-term memory and recall. In one trial, those who drank about 250 milliliters of carrot juice every morning for 8 weeks improved their visual memory by around 13%. It may not sound like much, but in everyday life, that's the difference between forgetting where you just put your glasses and remembering within a few seconds. And here's something important most people don't realize. The nutrients in carrots are fat-soluble, which means your body absorbs them much better when they're paired with healthy fats. It can be very simple, a little olive oil or a few walnuts. So, if you want to use carrots the right way, drink it in the morning. Use about 2 to 3 carrots. You can add a bit of ginger or a squeeze of lemon to make it easier to drink. And most importantly, have it alongside a breakfast that includes healthy fats. That's all it takes. When your body gets the right fuel, your vision can gradually become clearer, your mind feels lighter, more alert, and you'll begin to notice your day starting in a very different way. Next is a deep red drink, and it may be even more powerful, especially if you often feel a foggy mind, trouble focusing, or poor circulation. This is beet juice. Let's be honest, most people over 60 rarely think about blood flow when it comes to memory or vision. But in reality, that's the foundation. Because if your blood isn't flowing well, your brain and your eyes are missing the one thing they need most, oxygen. And when oxygen is low, everything starts to slow down. You think more slowly, your memory slips, your eyes tire more quickly. That's where beets come in. Beets are rich in natural nitrates. Once inside your body, those nitrates are converted into nitric oxide. This is a special molecule that helps your blood vessels relax. This process is called vasodilation. When your vessels open up, oxygen-rich blood can reach your brain and your eyes more easily, and that's what helps them recover, especially while you sleep. A study in 2020 found that people over 60 who drank beet juice daily had a noticeable increase in blood flow to the brain, especially in the frontal lobe, the area responsible for focus and short-term memory. After just 4 weeks, they reacted faster, focused better, and thought more clearly. As for your eyes, nitric oxide helps protect the tiny blood vessels in the retina, which may lower the risk of macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision decline with age. But what I like most about beets is how quickly they work. In about 30 minutes after drinking, your body already starts producing nitric oxide, which means better alertness, improved circulation, and clearer vision can begin the very same day. If you often feel your mind slowing down in the afternoon, or your eyes getting tired as it gets dark, then this might be exactly what your body has been missing. The way to use it is simple. 1 beet. Add a little apple or orange for taste, and drink it around 2 to 4 in the afternoon. Even if you change nothing else, just 1 glass a day can make a very noticeable difference. Next is the third drink, a deep purple color, not talked about very often, but incredibly important. This is blueberry juice. Some foods only help protect your body, but others don't just protect, they help restore what time has slowly worn down. Blueberries do both. They contain anthocyanins, a powerful antioxidant that can stimulate your brain to form new connections, even support the creation of new nerve cells. A study in 2020 found that older adults who drank blueberry juice daily for 12 weeks showed clear improvements in memory, processing speed, and overall brain activity. What's especially important is these nutrients can cross the blood-brain barrier, a gate that not everything can pass through. Once inside, they help reduce oxidative stress and increase BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of brain cells. Put simply, they help your brain become a little younger over time. And for your eyes, blueberries help protect the cells that carry visual signals, keeping the retina more stable and resilient as the years go by. But what makes them truly special is, they don't just slow decline. They also help your body restore part of the function that may have been lost. I remember one case, a 74-year-old patient. She loved to read, but over time, the words became blurry. Her eyes tired quickly, and her mind didn't feel as sharp. After a few weeks of drinking blueberry juice in the evening, she went back to her favorite crossword puzzles. She could see more clearly, focus better, and most importantly, she felt like herself again. If you want to try it, the method is simple. 1 cup of blueberries. Blend with a little water, and drink it about 90 minutes before bed. That's the time when your brain begins its deepest recovery phase. Just one small change like this, but the effects can reach much deeper than you might expect. Finally, a green drink. Very simple, but it may be the most powerful of all. This is spinach juice. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients that are stored directly in the macula of the eye. This is the area that helps you see fine details clearly. As you get older, your levels of lutein and zeaxanthin gradually decline. And when they drop, your eyes become more sensitive, more vulnerable. You may start to notice weaker vision, less sharp images, and eyes that tire more easily. Over time, the risk of macular degeneration also increases. But spinach does more than just protect. It also helps restore eye function. Many studies show people with higher levels of lutein don't just see more clearly, they also process visual information faster. In other words, your eyes and your brain work better together. And for the brain, spinach is rich in folate. Folate helps your body produce dopamine and serotonin, 2 neurotransmitters linked to mood, focus, and alertness. But there's something even more important. Spinach helps lower homocysteine, a substance that can harm the brain if it builds up over time. When homocysteine is high, the risk of memory decline and neurological issues also increases. In addition, spinach contains vitamin K. This helps nerve signals travel faster and more accurately, which means you think more clearly, respond more quickly, and feel mentally lighter. However, there is one thing you should keep in mind. Spinach contains oxalates. If you consume too much, it may not be good for your body. So, moderation is key. The way to use it is simple. A handful of fresh spinach. Add 1 apple or a bit of cucumber to make it easier to drink. And have it in the morning or before noon. That's it. One gentle glass of green, but it can create a deep shift inside your body. Your eyes are better protected. Your mind becomes clearer, and you'll begin to feel that your body still has the ability to adapt, still has the ability to recover more than you ever expected. Now, we have all four. Each one supports a different part of your body. Carrots nourish your eyes. Beets improve blood flow. Blueberries support your brain. Spinach protects and connects it all. But when you bring them together, they're no longer separate pieces. They become a complete system, quietly supporting each other, quietly strengthening your body little by little. You don't need all four every day. It doesn't have to be that complicated. Just 2 a day. Or rotate them throughout the week. Simple, easy to stick with, but the most important thing isn't which one you choose. It's whether you stay consistent. Because this is not a miracle. It won't change everything overnight, but it builds over time, day by day, quietly, steadily, and then, one day you'll start to notice. Your eyes don't feel as tired. Your mind feels lighter. Your steps feel more steady. If you've made it this far, I want to tell you something. You're not just watching a video. You're holding on to hope. The hope that you can see more clearly, remember more easily, and live more comfortably in the years ahead. And I want you to know that is absolutely possible. After more than 30 years of observation, I've seen it happen again and again. Not from anything dramatic, not from complicated methods, but from very small changes, repeated every day. A glass of carrot juice in the morning. A little beet juice in the afternoon. Blueberries before bed. Spinach during the day. Nothing flashy, nothing difficult, but enough to help your body begin to change. Not a miracle, but momentum. And sometimes, that's exactly what your body has been waiting for. If today, you decide to try, even just one small change, then you've already begun. And that is the most important step. Because your body has never given up on you. It's simply been waiting to receive again what it needs to keep getting stronger day by day. Thank you for taking the time to be here today. If this video gave you something, even just a little bit of hope, I'd truly appreciate it if you hit like and share it. And if you'd like to keep going on this journey, go ahead and subscribe. We'll be right here, walking alongside you. Let me know in the comments, which one do you want to try first? Let's learn together, grow together, and most importantly, believe that your best years are still ahead of you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, and stay curious.